We have discovered that trametinib extends mouse lifespan, and this is showing that the drug is a geroprotector in mice. Its combination with rapamycin extends the lifespan even more by 30%. This is actually more than the individual drugs given to the mice, and this therapy does not only ensure longer life but also better health in old age.
Rapamycin and Trametinib are both cancer drugs that are used in the clinics, and they work on the so-called nutrient sensing network within the cell, especially on the mTOR and the RAS-MAC-ERK pathways. And for rapamycin, it's already known that it can extend lifespan in different organisms, including in mice. For humans, still not known. For Trametinib, on the other hand, it was not known yet whether it can extend lifespan in mice. So we already knew from work in Drosophila flies that two drugs can extend the lifespan and also that they work additively. So if we combine rapamycin and trametinib, we saw a stronger effect than we saw with the individual drugs. And we now also wanted to see whether trametinib works in mice and whether the combination has an additive effect.
When we treated mice with rapamycin and trametinib, we first want to see how the individual drugs performed. As expected, rapamycin extended lifespan by 15 to 20%. With trametinib, it was very nice to see that actually in mice we saw a lifespan extension of 5 to 10%, and very interestingly, the combination actually produced an even greater effect of 30%. We think that the effect is not simply down to a higher dose used in the study, because when we check the gene expression profile and how this is affected by the drugs, we saw that actually the combination produced a very unique effect compared to the individual drugs alone. So we think that the combination has a different effect.
The dose for trametinib can still be optimized. We probably underdose, so we would test whether higher doses even have stronger effects, and then also whether this affects the combination treatment. And of course, we want to then also do further tests on whether we can see more health benefits at old age when we combine these two drugs. Both rapamycin and trametinib are FDA-approved drugs for different contexts, so not for longevity treatment. There are the first trials running now with rapamycin where the proper dose is tested and whether there are any side effects. But in principle, both drugs can be used and have targets also in humans. So it is possible that also the combination treatment might have additive effects, but we have to wait for the clinical trials to find this out before you use it at home.